This is the CarPlay. Wow, they give you this one too. That's nice.
Yeah?
This one is the AMI. This one is for the auxiliary.
Cool.
And cable. Wow. And this is the box right here. It's a simple one. Now the switch for this car should be 5, 4. Okay, so let's put this one. What? To sport. Turn it off. And then where is my parking? Alright, so we have room right here. Then we'll take this one out. Oh, we can't take it out, can we? We're gonna remove this head unit. So the key, so it should be straight in like this. This. Is it on?
It's on.
Okay. Alright, so now just need the right tool.
Cool.
Yeah, you got a gray one.
So we don't have the pink one.
Shoot it here. That's why it has to be 7 inches.
Yep.
So if it's 7 inches.
And we got the gray.
Yes, but now I gotta turn this off. Oh, take the key out. I don't want anything. Okay, so shoot in the back here. Alright. It's still running. I can't believe. Okay, so first thing first. This is the optical.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, the one that caused all the problem before.
Yep. That we also adjusted in the back.
Yeah, they have everywhere. See, it's blinking. So that means it's working.
Okay.
So we're gonna remove this guy, which is the antenna. No, actually, this one is from the backup camera. So it's the blue one.
Mm-hmm.
And now, this one here, we have to open it and then take it out.
Just heard the power go off.
Yeah, that's a power. Okay.
Wow.
And then this one, we push a button here, and I don't think we need to remove the yellow one. We only need to remove the gray one.
Okay.
All right. So, how do I take this one out? I don't need this anymore. Are you still there?
We are rolling.
So it's blinking? Okay.
Yep.
So, this one will mate with the original power. So we're going to plug it in correctly. All right. There you go. You have to be out, okay?
Got it.
So you see there's a notch there?
Yep.
So when you plug it in correctly, which means this way. Okay, if you don't put it in correctly, you push, all the pin is going to break. So.
Don't want that.
Nope. That's why.
It took us too long to get this moved along. We don't want to break it.
Now it's snap on like this, so now it's locked. Okay, so this guy here.
Yep.
It's gonna go. God, this is no room. How do I move this one all the way back without turning on the power? Anyhow, I don't really. Okay, so this one here is gonna go into the head unit.
Mm-hmm.
How did I open it before, though? Yep. I think that's there. You push it. Then you can open it.
And then that goes right into the head unit.
Again.
Line them up.
See,
Can you
upside
see it?
down. You see that?
Yep.
If you blindly just push it in, then it won't be good. Right? Is that right? Can you see? So all the big guys on the top,
Yep.
right? On the right side here,
that
on the
looks
big
right.
guy? Yeah, okay. Make sure. It's not the time to break stuff. And if it doesn't go in nicely, don't force it.
It just needs a new angle or something, huh?
Yeah, there you go.
Okay.
How come it doesn't go in? You know what? I'm going to take this out too.
Then you can...
Yeah, because I don't want... Alright, out of my way.
There you go.
Now we can see. So we push it in all the way. Did I break something?
I don't think. I think it was just that plastic releasing.
Okay, so now we lock it. Beauty.
There you go.
Now we're gonna see if it works. Where's this guy? We always test it before we put it in, right?
Yep. So, QA test.
QA test. Don't put it all in and it didn't work. Totally wrong. What does this do? This original one, which is the gray, like this, right?
Yep.
Do they look the same?
Yep.
They better fit. So I believe the gray one go in here.
Looks like it fits.
And this guy. Okay, let's look at the picture to be sure. Didn't do right. Oh no, we did right. This guy go into the unit. You see the unit over there or over here? Yeah. Okay. This one go here. Correctly? So, the one that come out with two,
Yep.
go into the unit, according to this. And then this guy,
LVDS port.
go where? You're absolutely right.
That's the only green one I see. No, this one, right?
No.
No? Oh, okay.
It's a gray one. It's the
Got
one
it.
we took out from that, right?
Okay, yep.
Alrighty then. It's on this package here. Jesus. But they did good. I mean, everything seems perfect. So, this white one go in here. Power. And what is this one for? No, my God. This one go into the back of this guy. Air conditioner. When we pull this one like this one come out.
Nice.
Wait a minute. That's it? Beautiful. Good design. Or they didn't put a screw somehow. Anyhow. I think these was a screw before.
Yeah.
Whoever did this before removed it or something.
Well, it's been to the Audi dealership to get it.
I know.
Diagnosed the problem a few times.
Okay, so turn it off now. Oh, wait. So, this is what we need to take out. Now, how do I do this? So now, look at this. Move it up. I don't want to break a damn thing. Hey,
At least
we
have
are
eBay.
reverse engineering here.
We are. There it is.
Yeah, you need the little guy here. So, wait, does it break? It should be okay, right?
Yep. Maybe push the black
and then
lever.
about this one up too.
Is it moving?
It is. Jesus, you lock it good, man.
Well,
This engineer.
if you're driving down a dirt road.
Okay, look at this. Push it. See, that's how it come out, right?
Yep.
But with
Push
this
it in.
guy lock, you can't.
You can't push it in.
All right, so now, where's this guy? Go in here, and it's keyed.
Okay.
If you can put it the other way, go ahead and break it.
We're not breaking anything.
Oh my goodness, so it's done.
Breaking is not the name of our game.
Nope, got to do it carefully. All right, so
And then
it should be working right now.
What goes in here? This thing?
Yep. This is your CarPlay. So plug your phone in here.
USB tunnel. Lewis, there is light at the end of this tunnel.
Okay, so according to them.
Okay, so
now shoot it.
We press nav for
3
seconds, and voila.
Okay, so now let's click this and see if it. No way. Ding it.
What does that mean?
It's good.
It's good?
It's loading. Oh shit! It's there. YouTube, you can put shit in there, can you?
I don't think anyone's gonna tell on you.
See, there's no touch screen, but you. Oh my God, look at this. So this little, your big knob here.
Yeah. You just scroll through and select them.
So now, the problem is right now, can you select auxiliary? I mean, yes. Because there's no sound now.
Uh-huh.
But you can see map, right?
Right.
Okay, let me ask you a question. You have AMI?
I thought I saw it, right? In the...
Where do you put your... Okay. Check that out. And put the one that they give us. Never mind.
That's it.
External.
There we go. There we go.
Here we go.
That's what we were looking for.
But it wasn't there before, right?
No.
Until you plug this one
Yep.
in. So, good job.
So now it knows.
So now we can do CarPlay.
And you got there by hitting nav.
So, what do we do now? Where's our music?
Hey Siri.
I'm here.
Costco.
One option I see is Costco wholesale on experience without in whole list. Let me know if you want to hear the whole list.
Yes, tell us the whole list.
Good.
We are in. And there's the Spotify app on CarPlay.
You gotta learn how to use this one though. But anyway, you can do that. Tell Siri to message me.
Send you a text?
Yeah, just tell Siri.
Hey Siri, send Lewis a text that says thanks very much.
Your message to Louis says thanks very much. Ready to send it?
Send it.
Okay, it's sent.
Whoa! Oh my God! No, I don't like this one. See, touch screen, you touch it.
Yeah. But now I'm gonna have to just be using the...
You got to learn how to move. Okay, so now Nice
My
job.
Audible app is on here. That's awesome. Pandora, everything.
Okay, so now we need to find out where do we put this guy through.
So that.
It has to come out somewhere. We can put everything back in.
Yep.
But where does this one go? So, okay, we just leave it like this.
I think I would take it. I'm the only one in here anyway.
Slide that box under so that we can put everything in.
Something in the way.
This big damn cables right here. Cable to the side and make sure it doesn't do anything and slide it in. So before we snap it, make sure the little guy. See, we can't put this in. Can we?
That's connected, right? The USB cable.
You know what? I still want to move the cable out somewhere, but there's no place.
It's not gonna fit.
Come on.
We would have to get a custom, right?
But this one, if we can get it out without removing this, then you can always replace that.
Right.
Oh, this one just plug in. Yay!
That's a smile of victory right there.
Back, so back up. There you go.
There's the camera.
All right, so now let's do navigation. Start. What? It's working, so which means so we go to the nav info. So when you go to the nav info, you should be able to see how many satellites. 7.
Cool.
So that means the antenna is
all working.
Right? Okay. So what else? So we have
then go to radio.
The radio.
For Sirius XM.
So we choose the band. So when the antenna is working, for the navigation, that is this one. Okay, so it works.
All right.
So let's do again. Nav. How come it doesn't go straight in? Wait. Why it doesn't play?
How do we get out of the radio?
We have to choose this one.
Media.
Yeah.
Yep.
So it always have to be on the auxiliary.
Okay.
Oh, every time? Perfect.
You the man.